You found the perfect home and you're ready to make an offer. You're super excited, but now's the time to take a step back and become more objective, not emotional. When you make your offer and start negotiating, you need to rely on facts, not emotion. Keep emotions in check and focus on the end goal. Now, the first thing you need to do is to trust your realtor. Look, you trust your lawyer to know how to put together your will, and you trust your accountant to get your taxes done properly, right? Well, your realtor is your expert in the home buying process. They know what it takes to make a successful offer, and they have your best interest at heart. Think about it. They don't even get paid until you get the keys to your dream home. You're probably very smart and good at what you do, but when it comes to real estate, making a good offer and coming up with negotiating strategy, your agent knows, or should know, much, much more than you do. For one thing, they'll understand that different market conditions require different strategies. For example, in a seller's market where demand exceeds supply, the competition among buyers can be fierce. Homes sell quickly, sometimes for more than the asking price, and through bidding wars, and buyers have less negotiating power. Trust your agent to advise you on which strategy to use with your offer for your best chance at winning. Your offer should reflect the market conditions, the home's value, what you can realistically afford, and how emotionally invested you are to win that specific home. On the flip side, when you see there's more homes on the market and homes are staying on the market for longer, you know it's a buyer's market. There's an oversupply of homes and less demand. Prices, terms, and repairs may be negotiable, and you might even be able to ask for credit towards all your closing costs. Your agent will be able to explain exactly the type of market and how it will affect offer strategies and negotiations. Of course, this means that you must work with an experienced local agent who knows the market, the absorption rate, and the forecast of the local real estate market. Another thing your agent will do is analyze comparable sales and come up with a fair offer price. They'll consider factors like home's condition, location, upgrades, views, and how it stacks up against similar properties that have recently sold. Also, they'll have done some research to understand the seller's motivations. Like, do they want a quick sale or a specific closing date? Or do they want to rent it back for a couple of weeks? Knowing this makes a difference in creating the offer that can be as attractive as possible. Keep in mind that once your offer is finally signed by both parties, it is legally binding. If you back out of it after the inspection period is over, you'll probably have legal and financial consequences. Your buyer's agent should help you understand the language, terms, and exactly what you're agreeing to before signing anything. Now, bottom line, to get the best possible result when it comes to making an offer and negotiating, first make sure you have the right realtor, someone you completely trust, and you will listen to their advice. When making your decisions during this process, keep a clear head and keep your emotions in check. I'm Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker Realty, your dedicated home advocate.